So we made it out here to the RPM exotic car meets, and let's go check out what kind of cars there is. I don't see that many cars today, or maybe because I'm late, but let's go check them out, see what we find. So not a lot of action going on, but you know, it's okay. I was late, so I expected this, but you know, a lot of nice Lamborghinis, Porsches, GTRs. So let's take a look at them. Ladies and gentlemen, you can never go bad with the big bad semi truck. Look at this monster. Beautiful. Man. See, now the problem is the trucker has to turn left and there's all this traffic. So he can't bust his turn. So, you know, it's not the trucker's fault here. I mean, he has to deliver his load, so he has all this to needs to turn. There goes the semi busting his move. Hell yeah. Bring it, semi. Bring it. Ha. Woo! Hell yeah. Good stuff, man. Made it home. Woo! It's so hot today. The car marks it's 106 degrees here in California. Look at all these ashes from the burning mountains. You can't really see them. They're huge. And they're everywhere. Everywhere. I'll open the door. Damn it. Okay, let's go inside. Wow.